Coming up, we take a look at Calgary-based singer Art Kerr's musical inspirations. Calgary-based singer Art Kerr recently released his first album. Now Sony Opal sat down with him to chat about his career.
I sat down with Art Kerr, and he told me about his life-changing trip to India.
It was my first time back to India on my own in a while, and I got to see some things that about the culture and about the experience that I hadn't been exposed to before. One kind of defining moment was going from Gurdwara Fatehgarh Sahib down the street to Sharif Roza Masjid and seeing that dynamic that still exists of different cultures, different people living together in harmony. And I think that's what kind of brought me back to this place where, wow, there's really something there.
How would you describe the sound on Ishkamal?
I think it's kind of the word is used so loosely, fusion. I mean, people throw that word out there all the time, but I think it is a fusion. It's Sufi. There's some club. There's some rock, and the lyrics, of course, directed towards the beloved or towards God. So it is a fusion, but I think there's something very intuitive about it lyrically.
Arsh's version of Allahu is creatively very different, a catchy alternative to previous popular versions.
The version of Allahu that is on the album, it was actually previously made popular by Sai Zahoor Ali from Pakistan, who's a Sufi singer. And I was inspired by that, and in Punjabi music there's a tradition that Sufi kalam or Sufi poetry can be used very loosely in any sort of musical context. So what we tried to do was do kind of a rock, kind of club, kind of alternative fusion of Allahu as it was originally done.
Arsh, who is first-generation Canadian, explains how he stays connected to his South Asian roots.
Well, I think being born and raised in Canada has taught me a lot about being Punjabi. Sometimes I notice that I'm very attached to a lot of things that are Indian or South Asian or Punjabi, and I really have kind of a romantic kind of attachment to the culture because I'm kind of detached from it. So being here, I'm able to experience it from a distance and maybe take in other elements of the culture that would I have been in Punjab or somewhere in India, I might not have been exposed to.
What are the next steps for Arsh in his career?
Well, I think just to continue to grow musically and intellectually, and keep the dream inside. Never let go of that. No matter where you find yourself in life, where you go. I mean, just keep that thing inside that started a long time ago, and sometimes it goes brighter, sometimes it dims, but always to keep that flame for the love of the art burning.
Well, Arsh, thank you so much for visiting us.
That's our show for this week. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Don't forget to write down our mailing details and help us contribute to the vibrancy of our province through your events. I'm Sushmita Rao. Thank you for watching Cultural Avenue and join us next week for another multicultural experience. Have a great day.